Ever wondered how a global IT giant like Infosys rakes in billions? Let's dive into the revenue streams of Infosys. Starting with its core offerings, IT services. Infosys's revenue is mainly generated from the IT services it provides to clients around the world. IT services are the backbone, representing the bulk of their income. These services are often divided into several categories, including application development and maintenance, digital transformation, cloud services, and consulting. They build, manage, and modernize technology systems for businesses. Infosys caters to a diverse clientele, which significantly affects its revenue structure. They serve clients of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. Spread across various industries, its diversified client base helps them mitigate risk and create a stable revenue stream. Industries like financial services, retail, manufacturing, and communications generate the most revenue for Infosys because of the high demand for their services. In these sectors, the proportion of revenue from each sector provides insights like where the company's greatest strength lies. Beyond these core services, Infosys generates revenue through additional sources. These include licensing of software like Fiacle, a core banking solution, and other software products. The company also generates revenue through its own initiatives as well. To summarize, Infosys makes money primarily by providing IT services across industries, having a diverse global clientele, and also generating revenue through software licensing and other sources. Understanding these income streams give valuable insights into their business strategy.